Hello, here we go again in our Google Sheets video tutorial. We are still looking at how to use a Premade template, but in this video we'll be looking at how to use it to create a classroom attendance register. What you do, you type in docs.google.com/spreadsheets on your browser, and you're going to get something like this. This is a dashboard. You're going to have it here now on the templates gallery. You click on the drop-down menu. You're going to have all these pre-made templates. So, but I'm looking for the one for my class attendance register, so I can see it under education. I have the gradebook, I have the assignment tracker, but this one I want to use now. So I click on it, it's going to open. You can see it. You know, when we say templates, it means that the system has already arranged something for you. But then, most times, what the system puts in for you is not what you may like. There may need to be some kind of tweaking on it. So all you need to do is edit and put what you want to do. Take for instance, now you can see the system is writing student name because you're student. So you are the one that will edit and now input your student. This is a class name, this is a teacher, and all that. So you can always do that. You can change all of this. Now, when you have something like this, and there's this key saying that L represents lateness, you can see absence and all that. So while you are registering, recording the kids' attendance, so where there's lateness, you're going to put excused absence. A child already took excuse maybe from the parent that say my child won't be able to come to school today because she's very sick. So that's an excused absence. It goes with it. Remember, this a Premade template. The system assumes that these are the right things to do. But if you feel that maybe your classroom system, that what you put for lateness is this, you just choose what you want to do. Okay, excuse absence, that's not what I want to put it. In fact, I don't even have something like that. You can always change it. So all these keys, see where they are attached. You can go here and correct, delete the ones you want to delete, or change the ones you want to change. But when you feel that, okay, what the system has done for me, I really like that, it's okay, then you leave it. Present is P. Unexcused absence is C. Excused absence is E. Then late is L. Now, P means present. So that's it. Now, let's go on. Let's start by, editing this. I want to edit the class name. I love this class. This is JS3 class. Okay. This is JS3. Okay. My capital letter. Okay, JS1, please. I'm using JS1. And I'm the teacher. I want to write my name. The teacher's name. That's what you do. Okay. Mr. Chima. Because this is my class. Now, my students. The first student is Kane. The second student in my class is Clara. I have the third student as Frank. I have the fourth student that is called Judith. Maybe I have the fifth student called John. I have the sixth student called Naomi. I have Daniel in my class, and I also have Dave. I just have these 8 kids in my class and all that. So you're going to edit Okay, look at what the system is. The system assumes this a work attendance for September. So September 4, that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the first day, Monday in September, and this Friday, another Monday continues. But you can always change it. The question is for you as a teacher, are you dealing with September? If you are not, you just change all these things. If you click on this now, you can change it. You can always change it. Even though, see, when you click here, you can avoid, you may not go here, you can still go here and change it. Can you see it? So if I go here now, assuming that I want it to be, that I'm dealing with, let's say this time is this month of May. If I'm dealing with May, this 5th, that's May, the month coming first, May, and on Monday, the first Monday in May should be there. Which date? We already have, today is Thursday, what is 3rd? It's okay. So that should be 7th. That should be 7th. That should be 7th because I think no, today is Friday. It shouldn't be 7th, it should be 6th. Monday is 6th. It's okay. And 2019. So that's it. And that's what I want to do. So you see how it has related here. So I click here again and do the same. I'm dealing with 5. This should be 7. That's Tuesday, 2019. And it's going to reflect. So you can all do this. You can keep changing it. So imagine it and all that is agreeing now. And maybe for the entire month. Remember, I've taught this over time. If you have been following my video series on this Google sheet, if you think that, okay, look at this first week ends here, second week ends here, third week, and fourth week, Friday. You see it now. If, for instance, we are to complete this, we're going to have this place would be, this should be 8, 9, 10. And Monday will be again 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then you have, what again would we have here now? If we have, this is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, then Monday should be 13th, sorry, 13th, 14, 15, 16, 17. And that Monday will be 20th, 21, 22, 23, 24. And that Monday will be 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. The month ends, which is May. So that is correct. The 4 weeks is okay. But you know why? Sometimes some months may have, you need to attach additional columns to go into the 5th week, which we all know. So in that case, you do that. So but where it's okay, all you need to change, like I was already doing, you change all this. All I'm showing is example. I'm not going to do all for you. We have seen how to do it. I just stopped here. You can do the rest of this and all that. And by the time you have things like this, you start working. Each month you do this. But if you think, I don't want to do it more, I don't want it for a whole term, remember, there's no problem in doing that. But you need to attach additional whatever. Okay, let me still teach you this. How to attach. If I want to attach additional column from here now, all I need to do, I've clicked here on this column. I right click. I'll just right click. As long as it's this column, I right click and it say insert column. You'll see it, insert column. But by the time I click on this, can you see a new column has been inserted? But I don't need this. I don't need this. So I undo. I don't need this. So I'm going to undo it. A new column was inserted. So also the same way you want to insert rows and all that. So you can insert, you can as well delete. Imagine if I want to delete this row, I still do this row. I've done this before now. Delete row, delete column. The moment I do that, that column goes off. So that's it. That's exactly what how we go about it. So by the time you do this, you can now go on registering, because you have already given the system a key. Then when any child I mark P means the child is present. If I mark L, the child just is late. E means the child actually took excuse, so absent by the excuse. Then the child was absent, but there was no excuse. The parent did not call us, so we can't actually vote for the child. And these are the keys you have given to the system, and everything is arranged. At the end of the day, the system will compute your data and give you the final thing. How many of your students were absent and how many and all that. The system will show you everything. And for a particular child, how many times was the child absent and things like that. So this is how you can use a pre-made template. Like I said earlier before now, if you are doing anything that has, involves so much data like this, it's a waste of time you can do this on your own, you can create it. But since you have a pre-made template, use it. And that's one advantage you see Google 2 has over the Microsoft Excel. Excel doesn't have all these pre-made templates. So you need to do all this things yourself. But while using Google 2, these templates are already there. Instead of creating new ones, you just use the one that is already there. So we'll come to the conclusion of this video. If you have been following our series, you must have assessed the previous ones and will likely see the ones following this one. Thank you for your time. Till come your way next time. Thank you.